Hello. As we are battling extensive COVID-19 infection, which affects lungs and breathing severely, we at EmoPhy Physio and Fitness Studio have created a set of basic exercises which helps in your lungs rehabilitation and improving your muscle strength and endurance. These can be performed at your home after recovering from COVID-19 or any other lung infection. If you need any personalized rehab program, feel free to contact us at these details listed on your screen. I am Dr. Mayurika and my partner Dr. Vrinda will demonstrate these exercises to you. Before we start the exercise, we recommend you to measure your oxygen saturation with the help of pulse oximeter. If it is less than 95, then we recommend that you don't do these exercises till it is normal. So we will start with normal breathing technique. In this technique, you have to sit in a comfortable position with your chest and shoulders relaxed. Place one hand on your chest and other hand on your abdomen, that is your stomach. Now breathe in through your nose and breathe out through your nose slowly. As you breathe in, your chest and abdomen will move up, and as you breathe out, it will sink in. You have to do this exercise for about 5 to 10 repetitions. In this exercise, you have to relax your body, chest and shoulders. Now breathe in slowly through your nose for 2 counts, that is 1 and 2. Inhale. Now breathe out slowly through pursed lips. Pursed lips means you have to make a round circle of your lips just like you are blowing a whistle. Breathe in and breathe out. You can start with 5 repetitions and gradually you can proceed up to 10 to 15 repetitions. This helps in general relaxation and improves ventilation. This is incentive spirometer. It helps in re-expansion of the lungs. In this, you have to hold the spirometer at your chest level. Now breathe out and place the mouthpiece in your mouth and try to breathe in strongly so that the balls move upwards, just like we suck juice with a straw. You have to do 5 repetitions of this. Now in the second technique, you have to invert the spirometer, place the mouthpiece in your mouth and breathe out. You have to do it 5 times. In the next technique, take a paper and hold it at your mouth level with elbows bit flexed. Now take a deep breath through your nose and try to blow the paper in single expiration. Perform 5 repetitions of this exercise. You can do this exercise by blowing a balloon as well. Take a deep breath through your nose and blow a balloon in single expiration as much as you can. This will help in the removal of secretions from your upper respiratory tract. Now we will move on to thoracic mobility exercises. This helps to open the rib cage and promotes more air entry into the lungs. It also helps to relax the neck, shoulder and upper back muscles.
Starting on with shoulder flexion exercises. In this, as you breathe in, you move your shoulders up, and as you breathe out, you move it down. You will do 5 repetitions of this exercise. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. And the last one, breathe in and breathe out. In this exercise, you have to move your shoulders from the outer side. As you move upward, breathe in, and as you move down, breathe out. You have to do 5 repetitions of this. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. In this exercise, place your hands behind your head. Now, breathe in and take your shoulders out. Stretch it. Now, breathe out and bring your shoulders inner side. Breathe in and breathe out. You'll do 5 repetitions of this. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. One more time. Breathe in and breathe out. Thoracic mobility exercises can be done with the help of stick as well. In this, you have to hold the stick in your hands, and with shoulders, you have to flex your shoulders and move it upwards as you breathe in, and move your shoulders down as you breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. The next exercise is segmental expansion exercise, and it is used to reinflate the particular lobe of the lung. It is performed at 3 levels, that is the upper, middle and lower level. In the upper level, you have to place your hands on the outer aspect of your ribs. Breathe in, hold for a few seconds, and then breathe out. As you breathe out, place firm downward pressure into the ribs with the palms of your hand. You have to repeat it for 5 repetitions. Gradually, you can proceed this with a towel and then with a TheraBand. This gives proprioceptive facilitation to the lungs. To perform segmental expansion exercises in the lower level, place your hands in the lower region of the ribs. Now breathe in, hold for a few seconds, and then breathe out. You have to place firm pressure, downward pressure into the ribs with the palms of your hand as you breathe out.
So this concludes our basic set of exercises. We recommend that you do these exercises 2 to 3 times a day for at least 2 to 3 weeks so that it improves your lung function and your routine life. Thank you.